Measuring a bit thicker. And instead of 3 and 3, when I have the boards oriented the way I want and the fit is